Welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Kritika from Informatica GCS, and in this video we will see how to enable extra logging while connecting to an SFTP server using the file processor connector in cloud data integration. So these are the points we will be discussing in this video. First, we will have an overview on what is file processor connector and SFTP debug tool and its purpose. How we can use this tool to mimic the file processor behavior outside of Informatica, and how we can avail additional debug logs, followed by a demo. First, we will have an overview on connector and then about the tool. You can use file processor connectors to securely transfer files from one location to another. Using file processor connection, you can perform file processing operations such as transferring, archiving, unarchiving, encryption, decryption, compressing, decompressing, moving or copying the files. And this tool will print debug logging during the algorithm exchange between SFTP client and SFTP server. And hence, this can be helpful to isolate errors, for example, algorithm negotiation fail during the file transfer. Let's see how to configure this tool now. You can refer to this KB for the written steps. In the first step, you need to download the SFTP debug utility that is attached in the above KB and place it in the server which has secure agent machine, or if any other server you want to test the connectivity from, you need to place in that particular server. And based on your server configuration, that is if you have proxy or not, and also based on the authentication, that if the authentication is username and password or if it is key based authentication, you can choose the command that you want to run based on your setup. So these two commands are for without proxy configuration. The first one is for username password authentication, where you need to give the username and host details and the password will be prompted later. And the second one is for key based authentication, where you need to give the username and host and the path for the key. Whereas if you are using proxy, you can use this command defining the proxy host and proxy port. While if you're using proxy authentication with the specified proxy user, you can go with this third command. Now let's see a demo on the same. I have logged into the machine where my secure agent exists, and I have also copied the SFTP debug jar into a folder. So this is the machine where my secure agent is installed. In this use case, I want to test the connectivity from the machine where secure agent is installed to another SFTP server. Also, my servers are not proxy enabled and I'm using username and password authentication. So this will be my command. This is the syntax followed by the username and the host of the SFTP server. Now that I have given the details of the SFTP server I want to connect with, let me execute the command. It will prompt for the password of the server that you want to connect with. Once you give it, the output is seen. As you can see, it has established the connection, and you can also see the JSCH version being used as mentioned earlier in this video. We have the detailed logging here, which is often helpful in troubleshooting. This concludes the demo for the configuration. We would love to hear your feedback on this support video or other service videos. You can reach us on supportvideos@informatica.com or through our Twitter platform. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.